Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your carrier supports Wi-Fi calling. Without that, the phone setting won't enable. Once done, join a stable Wi-Fi network and keep your emergency address current for E911. Carriers require it to route emergency calls. Make sure battery isn't critically low so the phone won't restrict background services. Now open settings to begin. Don't waste time toggling unrelated options. We'll go straight to network and calling controls to turn the feature on. You navigate to Settings, then SIM and Network. Tap Wi-Fi Calling. Toggle it on and choose whether to prefer Wi-Fi or cellular when both are available. Pick Wi-Fi if your signal is weak. When prompted, enter or confirm your emergency address. This helps emergency services locate you. Allow any required permissions like location or microphone so calls work reliably. Once enabled, place a quick test call to confirm the phone registers, as using Wi-Fi calling instead of traditional cellular. You finish by verifying. Make a short test call and check the status bar for the Wi-Fi calling label or carrier indicator. This confirms it's working. If it doesn't connect, restart the phone, toggle Wi-Fi off/on, and re-enter the emergency address. These quick resets often resolve registration issues. If problems persist, contact your carrier to ensure the feature is activated on your account and there are no provisioning blocks. That one tip, call carrier support, usually solves stubborn setup failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.